What is up, you guys? We're out here, we're back. I'm in town for the weekend, so figured I'd get some car content. Got the boys behind us too. Little taco meet. We're all getting together. Hopefully I see some of you guys there, but it's gonna be pretty sick. Ain't been out in a while, so. Well, some of them, but yeah, we'll see what cars pull up today. It's super nice, so should have a good turnout. Look at them tires, bro. Tires everywhere. Schmeat. Oh boy, this shit's clean. This is my POS. Yes, sir. We're out here. I think we're going to Slush now. It's like a big day meet. You guys have seen it on the channel before, but this thing's nasty. Nasty. I'm trying to get a video with him, a ride along or something. Thing's crazy. It's kicked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Came out to this little boba and chill. We got Mix's Supra over there. His wife's right here. My POS. My boy's GTR. So I don't know. Might go out to a meet later. Some friends keep bugging me, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. We'll see what we get into, but I had to get the boys to pop out real quick just to do it. Enjoy these summer nights while they're here. Well, I guess it's fall now, but how good they all look. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, dude.
Nice and loud for the camera.
Oh my gosh, is this a GTR? A GTR F360?
Has AC, heater.
Does that have automatic windows?
Has automatic windows.
Oh my gosh. Does your seatbelt work?
FM, AM radio,
Oh
Bluetooth.
my gosh. This is so bad.
This thing needs gas. This thing.
You ready? Set. Go. Finally back in town to finish this video, but see in the back we got some parts loaded up. We got a heat exchanger from CSF, and then another stock radiator because I screwed mine up and it is bent and leaking. Thank the railroad tracks. But yeah, I'm gonna go give you guys a little sneak peek of what the next video is gonna be, because it's super exciting, and as I say all the time, well overdue, but it was worth the wait because Mr. John at Vi got some badass surprise for us, I guess, or something that's been in the works for a while. It's finally out and it's super badass. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm on my way to the shop now to drop that stuff off so this car can be back hopefully early this week. But yeah, guys, just stay tuned and drop a like and all that, because it is finally go time. It sucks because it's close to winter, but who knows, we might even start traveling with the car, hit some events, you know, venture a little bit, especially nowadays, you know, just got to start enjoying everything we can, because who knows. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm on my way to the shop. We'll see you guys there. Can't sit too well because I don't want to open it all up and, you know, get it beat up. Here's just a stock radiator. The stock turbo thing's tiny. And my turbo is similar to this. We did get a Zona. We'll get more into that once the car's done and stuff and talk about it, but that will be going right here on that fucking sick ass manifold, dude. So yeah, I just came to bring them what they needed. Car looks good. I'm excited. Finally gonna love the car again, but that thing's badass. It's huge, but it'll help a lot, especially when we're out doing runs in Mexico. So but yeah, we're over here at John's shop. Alright, gave y'all a little taste. I didn't open everything up just because, you know, I didn't want to have everything open in this shop, whatever, and get beat up. And, you know, I just want everything to be done already. So, but yeah, we went with the CSF heat exchanger. Thing's super nice. Shout out to Graveyard Performance for hooking that up. And, but yeah, guys, so they said they'll send me some update pictures. So go check out Instagram. NO_HPKJ. I'll probably post some update pictures once everything's on the car that they're gonna hopefully send me. And yeah, so Wednesday, that's what we're planning for. We'll go start it up, whatever. We already got Jeff ready to tune this bad boy, so everything should be good. They're fixing a few little things that I asked them to on other things that have nothing to do with the turbo kit. So everything should be good once we get it. It's super exciting, you guys. It's gonna open a whole new world of content, and I'm excited. But make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for supporting, and stay tuned for that next video. Start up with the new single turbo, well, big turbo, would you say? So it's go time, guys. Thank you for tuning in. As always, peace out. We'll see you guys soon.